In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday Workdocs and Monday.com. Workdocs are Monday.com's flexible docs for notes, plans, and live context. By the end, you'll create a workdoc in the right workspace, set it up, and add building blocks like tables, charts, and a board. Start on your Monday.com homepage so you can see your recent activity and navigation. Open workspaces from the sidebar and pick the workspace where this document belongs. Choosing the correct workspace keeps your doc organized and visible to the right people. Inside that workspace, look for the plus icon to create something new. Click it and select Doc to create a new work doc. A setup window will appear. Give your doc a clear descriptive name. This is the name people will see in the workspace item list, so make it meaningful. Next, choose the privacy setting that fits your use case. You can keep it open to your workspace, restrict it to specific teammates, or make it shareable for external collaborators. If you're unsure, pick a stricter option now. You can always loosen it later. When you're ready, click Create Doc to open the editor. In the canvas, type your title at the top. This is the headline readers see inside the document, and it can be different from the item name you set earlier. To speed up drafting, click Start with AI. This opens a panel where you can generate a first draft or structure. If you'd rather work from tried and true layouts, click Templates. From here, you can insert elements that give your content shape. Choose Table to add a grid for tasks, notes, or requirements. Fill in headers and rows to make information scannable. Then choose Chart to visualize key numbers. Charts help stakeholders grasp trends at a glance and are great for status summaries. You can also choose Board to embed a Monday.com board view directly in the doc, so readers can see live items without leaving the page. This is ideal for roadmaps, sprint backlogs, or campaign plans. Arrange these blocks in the order that tells your story best. Title and narrative at the top, followed by your table for details, a chart for quick insights, and the embedded board for real-time context. Once you've added the pieces you want, click Done to confirm and return to the document. Everything you've inserted remains editable, so you can tweak fields, change chart types, or swap the board view as your project evolves. And that's it. You created a doc, set name and privacy, added a title, used AI and templates, and clicked Done.